Career opportunities in beauty care and wellness. Quarter 3 Week 1 Day 3. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to 1. Identify different career opportunities in the beauty and wellness industry. 2. Describe the nature of work of each career. 3. Recognize the importance of personal care and wellness practices. Reflect on possible career paths related to beauty and wellness. Explicitation. Introduction. The beauty care and wellness industry offers many exciting and rewarding careers. These professions focus on enhancing beauty, promoting relaxation, and improving overall well-being. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, learners will be able to 1. Identify different career opportunities in the beauty and wellness industry. 2. Describe the nature of work of each career. 3. Recognize the importance of personal care and wellness practices. Reflect on possible career paths related to beauty and wellness. Career opportunity. Nail professional, manicurist, pedicurist. Definition. A person who cleans, shapes, styles, and decorates nails using nail polish, gems, polygel, or glitters. Skills needed. Nail art and hygiene. Customer service. Patience and precision. Workplaces. Nail salons, spas, home-based services. Visual suggestion. Close-up photo of nail art or manicure session. Career opportunity. Hairstylist. Definition. A professional who cuts, styles, and treats customers' hair according to trends or requests. Skills needed. Hair cutting and styling techniques. Creativity and adaptability. Product knowledge. Workplaces. Beauty salons, fashion shows, film and media industry. Visual suggestion. Photo of hairstylist working in a salon. Career opportunity. Massage therapist. Definition. A professional who provides therapeutic massages for relaxation and health improvement. Services may include facial, hand and foot, back, half body, and full body massage. Skills needed. Knowledge of body anatomy. Gentle yet firm hand technique. Professionalism and empathy. Visual suggestion. Massage therapist giving a spa treatment. Career opportunity. Barber. Definition. Cuts and styles men's hair, trims mustaches, and shaves beards professionally. Skills needed. Hair cutting techniques. Sanitation practices. Customer rapport. Workplaces. Barbershops, men's grooming salons, mobile services. Visual suggestion. Barber cutting a client's hair. Career opportunity. Wellness advisor. Definition. Helps clients achieve good health through fitness, nutrition, and stress management. Skills needed. Knowledge of wellness and health practices. Motivational communication. Lifestyle coaching. Workplaces. Gyms, wellness centers, corporate settings. Visual suggestion. Wellness advisor guiding a client. Career opportunity. Salon owner. Definition. Manages and operates a beauty salon or wellness spa. Responsibilities. Hiring staff and managing operations. Purchasing supplies and products. Promoting business and ensuring customer satisfaction. Skills needed. Leadership and management. Financial and marketing skills. Visual suggestion. Photo of a salon owner with staff or customers. Activity. Picture analysis. Instruction. Look at the following photos and identify the career shown. Possible answers. Manicurist. Massage therapist. Barber. Hairstylist. Salon owner. Follow-up question. What do these photos tell us about possible jobs and opportunities in the beauty and wellness field? Making generalizations. Discussion questions. Why is it important to take care of your face, nails, hair, and skin? What personal practices do you follow to maintain your appearance? Key point. Caring for oneself builds confidence and prepares individuals for professional careers in the beauty and wellness industry. Reflection on learning. Think about, how do you rate your current beauty care regimen? Are you satisfied with your beauty and wellness practices? Why or why not? What changes can you make to improve your personal care routine? Quote to end. Sparkles, beauty care is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, confident, and healthy. Summary. The beauty and wellness industry offers diverse career paths. Professionals in this field help others look and feel their best. Success comes from skill, discipline, and passion. Entrepreneurship is a valuable opportunity in this growing industry. Thank you. Closing message. Your hands can create beauty. Your heart can inspire confidence. Keep learning, keep glowing. Follow for more.